Hello, fellow Rangers. It's Blue Power Ranger 92 here, and welcome to a new vlog and the toy review. Today, could show you of my latest superhero, none other than Batman, the Dark Knight himself. Let's use this one first. This is Batman from Batman v Superman, Dawn of Justice, played by Ben Affleck. You see, this suit was like between Dark Knight Returns and New 52 Inspire. Casper, will you let me speak? It has a yellow belt right here, you can see, and the bat symbol. You can see his face clearly. And it's not a cloth cape right here. And on the back, articulation on his arms, and he can move his elbow side to side. And the legs, you can move the knees up and down, like he's doing jogging. I will give him a 10 out of 10. Very nice figure. Oh, he's got abs too. 6 pack. Next one is Armored Batman from Batman v Superman, Dawn of Justice. I got those two in Walmart back in 2016. You can move his hands through the 360. Kind of. He moves elbow, same thing as the other one. He moves hands, move his hand, and he can move his legs like here. Moves the knee. It has a helmet on and yellow belt, like it did like the other one I just showed you. And not cloth cape like I got the other one. Cape looks shiny. You can see here. Looks like he's ready for a battling on Superman. And the chest right here. They should put a bat symbol right here. Then looks like an armor straight from a graphic novel, The Dark Knight Returns. And on the back here, on the back, the Batman looks like Iron Man to me. I'll give him a 8 out of 10 of this figure. That's all I show you guys. You can find this. Just go to Walmart website or Amazon. Just pick them up. They're really neat. So I'll move out of the way. I apologize. I'm so apologize. I'm late. Up that. So yesterday, Mom and I have Mom and I have been vomiting. Puking and having diarrhea. Man, it's awful. Super awful. Oh God. But I'm getting to feel better. So is my mother. And I apologize to her what I said from last video. Oh, yesterday video. You just seen. And Mom and I should try to get along. And now she's talking about heat. Not outside, but in here. Oh boy. I don't know what's gonna happen next. I've been sleeping in my room, relaxing. And do you have any questions who want me to talk about Valentine's Day next month? And a new movie called Monster Trucks. And it there's on January 13th. That's tomorrow. Is a movie. It's about a monster who control trucks. You know what I'm talking about? If you can see a trailer, go on the internet and look it up about a movie called Monster Trucks and tell me what you guys think. Just if you want to see the movie tomorrow, hit smash button. Also, you want me to review tomorrow? Just hit smash button to reach 20 subs. I'm not sick. But I had a cough. Not a hard cough, but a little cough. And a little white nose. I don't know why. You think I'm freaking faking it to you guys? I'm fake. You think I'm fake? I'm not faking it. If you do, just hit the smash like button. As hard as He called Hulk smashing. Hulk smash! Mom and I will be playing a going fishing game, like a, you know what I'm talking about. The one has a machine makes sounds, and with a fishing pole thing like sticks and magnetic, you know what I'm talking about. I know you've been very patient with me. You guys are the best audience in the whole world. To see what I'm doing or what's been going on. But anyway, but talk about Star Wars Episode 8. Coming December this year in 2017. I don't know what title is gonna be. Ever since a new revealed title on Episode 7, The Force Awakens, which is a way to see in Star Wars Episode 8 in December 2017. Put the link down in the comments below and what you think it was how it's gonna be for Star Wars Episode 8. If you do, just smash the like button. Like 10 times more as usual. There's some music in the next door. Maybe Mexicans. And there's some video games coming this year in 2017. You go on YouTube and search for a channel. I mean videos about what's coming out this year of 2017 about video games for PS4 and other consoles. Let me know in the comments in the YouTube channel. I think. And new Power Rangers movie has come out in 2 months from February and March. That's 2 months. Like I said, you guys are my fans, and I love you guys. You always be in my heart to look to watch over me. You guys knew that. I'm not talking about my mother. I mean insulting my mother, okay? But not right now. So that's all I have to do today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Till then, morphin out. Oh, Resident Evil 7 games coming out in January 24th. Bye.